President Trump issued some executive orders, first of all, defining gender and also eliminating transgender protections. So in an executive order titled Defending Women from Gender Ideology, Extremism, and Restoring Biological Truth to the Federal Government, President Trump outlined federal definitions of women and girls as females and men and boys as male, and defining male and female as biological, binary, and immutable, which means it's not changeable. The order also seeks to remove the promotion of gender identity and gender ideology from federal policies, communications, IDs, and more. The order calls for imprisoned trans men to be detained in women's prisons and trans women in men's prisons, and it calls for agencies to restrict intimate spaces by sex and not identity. The order also sets in motion the rollback of a Biden-era guidance, including certain Title IX protections that's related to educational institutions. And Trump instructs the Attorney General to, quote, ensure the freedom to express the binary nature of sex and the right to single-sex spaces in workplaces and federally funded entities covered by the Civil Rights Act of 1964. And basically, just because someone tells you that they want to be called by their preferred pronouns, you as an individual would have the freedom to express the binary nature of sex.